students of class 4. Today we will do one practical class of chapter 2. Everyone open the book page number 25. Let's see what are the questions over there for the practical. So let's start the class. Okay, this is the page we are doing for the practical. What is the first question? Let's see. Create a folder with your name on the desktop. Add the folder to the document folder in library. Double click on the computer icon. Write down the drives you see in the right pane. Let's start. Okay, let's start. First we will right click on the desktop. This list will come over here. Click new. Then from the subfolder, click folder. And we will type our name over there using the keyboard. Okay. This is the folder made with our name. The next question is adding this folder to the document folder in library. How to do that? Right click on it. Include in library. If you hover the mouse over include in library, sublist will come. From this sublist, we can select the document folder. This document folder is opened, window is opened. Over here, we can select see, this folder is added to the document folder in the library. As it is empty, so nothing is there inside. Okay. Now close it. Let us move to the next question. Double click on the computer icon. Let's see where is the computer icon. Okay, Window Explorer is there. Click on it. This page will open. Okay. From here we will click this PC. So our computer is now open. This page. And we have to write down the drives that are there in our computer system. Here 4 drives are there. C, D, E and F. We will write this 4 drives name in the book given in page number 25. If you have 3 drives, write the names of 3 drives only. I think this question number 1 is clear to all. Now let us move to the next question. Question number 2 is, question number 2A we will not do because some of the computers like Windows 10 don't have installed gadget option. So we will strike out 2A. We will not do 2A. We will start with B and C. Let's see what is B. Add a sticky note, change its color, add a note to complete your homework by 5 p.m. Let us see how we are doing this. Click over here, write sticky note, See, the sticky note option is coming. Click on it. One sticky note has come. Write the note over there. Finish homework by 5 p.m. Okay. The note is done, and we will leave the page as it is. See, our note is ticked on the desktop. Yes, clear? Now if we want to add another note, click on the note. See, one plus sign is there. If you click on it, another note is added. You can write your message over there, and if you want to close it, click the cross over here and it will be closed. I think it is clear now. Now let us move to the next question. The third question is change the volume of the speaker, make it mute. Let's see how we are doing this. See, this one is the speaker option in the taskbar. See, its slider is there to increase and decrease the volume. And if we click over here, see, one cross sign is coming. That means the system is mute. And if we change it, the volume will increase and decrease accordingly. Okay. And if we click on this, if this cross sign is there, that means the system is mute. And if we again click it, that time the system will give us the sound. I think it is clear to all. Now question number 3 is changing the desktop wallpaper and changing the screensaver. This question. Let us see how we are doing it. Now for changing the wallpaper, right click on the screen. When this option will come, click on personalize. This page will come. From here you can select any of the image. Accordingly, if you click it, the picture will be changed. Okay. Another method is, if you have any image on the computer, suppose this one, right click on it, set as desktop background. It is already selected. Let us select any more. Yes, suppose this image we are selecting. Right click on it, set as desktop background, then close the window. See, our desktop background has changed. Clear? Now showing how to change the wallpaper screensaver. Click over here, write screen saver. Change screen saver. See, one option is there. Click on it. Select any one from here option according to your choice. Preview it. See how it is coming. You can, after selecting, click apply and it will be applied. You can give the wait time. That means after how much computer idle time the screensaver will start. You can give it over there and then you click on apply and click OK. The window will be closed and wait for 1 minute and the screensaver will come onto your system. So today's practical, whatever we have done, please practice it at home. What are the things we have done? How to create a folder on the desktop, how to move it into the library document folder, how to add a sticky note, how to change the volume of the computer system, how to mute the volume, how to change the wallpaper and screensaver of the computer system. That also we have done. So now it's your time to practice that at home by going through the video, and stay at home, do your work. If you have any query regarding today's class, please write in the comment box. I will reply you back. So take your time, practice it slowly, and bye bye.